Good afternoon from Hong Kong. Alright, my charged battery is 1282. And I have my, this is my trigger and run. And this one is connected, which is a run and a run. And this one over here is a run and a run. This coil is disconnected, and so is this coil. So I've got a total of 4 run coils disconnected. So, alright, we're back. So it's gone equalizing at 1280. So let's flip the switch on and let's give it a twitch. Oops. Alright. So get up to speed here. Definitely needs at least 3 coils to start. Right now I'm 1307, 1308, just around 500 milliamps. That's charging. Let's excuse the darkness here, but I'm going to try to 1312, 1313. So that's still disconnected. Charge is still going up. Timing's good. Just have the one stripe. 1315. 1315. 1316. So every few seconds it'll increase. So now let me try to, okay, it's connected. My amps increase, milliamp draw. Higher RPM, 1331, 1332, about 650. So it seems to be charging at the same type rate. The charge hasn't increased. So let's go down here. Try to connect this one. Can't seem to do it with one hand. 1334. Alright. Now, the next coil is disconnected, or connected. And it takes off again. I'm on top of a wash machine here, so the Hitachi. And again, this wheel was not designed for this high of an RPM. So at just over 600 milliamps, 1335. Seems to be taking longer. $13.35 and seems to just stay right there. Then I bet if I turn my potentiometer all the way to the right, ooh, look at that. But actually, the RPM slow down then. RPMs will slow back down, but when I go back to 600 milliamps. The RPMs kick back up. 1338. Yeah, it seems to be equalizing. The charge isn't going into it. 1336. Interesting. Seems to hover right there. Not getting any more of a charge. So I've never really focused on the charge. Oh, see, it's going on. Well, it went down and went back up. But I just have a little bit of play on the potentiometer to go up, but I'm able to bring it down. So I'm kind of curious if, no, went down. But I guess it doesn't know what it wants to do. Perhaps it wants to go over with my neighbor and go play a game of Mahjong. It's holiday season here. Everybody's playing Mahjong. Nothing like the sound of all those whatever plastic tiles all banging around on that table. So now it seems to be just hovering at 1336. That's very, very interesting. Wonder why that is. I mean, the charge rate is not my greatest concern. I know it kind of goes against everything, because I guess I'm more focused on a green energy aspect of it, using this pulse motor as an actual drive motor, and that to spin other things. But that one little benefit is that charge. So at 600 milliamps, I am staying very, very steady at 1336 right now. I had it earlier where it was at 1315 with just the 3 coils, and it didn't go any higher than 13.15 with 3 coils. So is there a limit to through the circuit or the battery? Well, I know battery's just going to keep taking a charge. I'm curious, because having the three diodes. Oh, oops, fingers in the way there. Nothing different seems to be happening, other than that wheel just vibrating all over hell. But it does charge, but it seems to charge up to one point, and then it doesn't want to go any further. Why is that? I've got questions. Does anybody have any answers? Yeah, it's still staying at that. Alright, gentlemen. Don't want to bore you any longer with this. Staring at a voltmeter, which I don't mind whatsoever. But that's it. Oh, this went up to 1337. Okay, so it seems to take longer to charge. But now when I have the main primary disconnected, I just have the wall wart connected to it. I only run 4 coils because of the vibration, and to charge up the primary battery. So it seems to take a good long time for once it gets up above 13 volts to actually put more of a charge into it. But when I'm at a lower voltage, you know, between 11 volts up to this point, it seems to take quite a bit of time. Well, anyway, everything's vibrating here. Okay, 1338. Alright, so it is charging. 600 milliamp draw. But my amp meters are just vibrating all the hell. The whole system's vibrating on the top of the Hitachi. Konnichiwa. Domo arigato. Well, it's working. It is charging, but at a slow rate after that. Alright guys, I won't bore you any longer. Thanks.